Hello, folks. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my first official FP Live Dare to Change Lanes. Okay, guys, so before I start with this live video, I would just like to give you the core reason behind making this video. Okay, what is the purpose behind it? And before that, I'll give a brief introduction about myself as well. So my name is Nimish. I am an engineer turned MBA turned senior HR professional turned author and life coach. And my mission in life is to make people realize that they can be much more than they already are. So that's my mission in life. Okay. So why this live? Why dare to change lanes? Okay. So being a coach and being an author, I did a little background study, and with that background study that I did, I realized that 80% of the millennial generation are in some kind of stress. And what I mean by millennial generation is people aged from 23, 24 to 35, 36. This millennial generation is in some kind of mental stress. Now, why is this alarming? Because India is a growing country, its population is young. And if the millennial generation, we are the future of tomorrow, we are the future of our country. So if 80% of this population is in some kind of stress, तो देश कैसे चलेगा? So that is the reason why this number is really alarming, the stress levels. Then I dig deep into the research. And what happened then, I realized that the core reason why people are in some sort of stress is trying to please the society around us. And by society, I mean our friends, our family, our peers, our colleagues, just trying to be that one step ahead from your peers. That's it. That's the core reason why people are in some kind of a stress. 80% of the millennial generation. Then I dug deeper. What could be the possible solutions to this? And then I realized that the only solution to this is people spending little time with themselves, at least for 5 minutes a day. At least for 5 minutes a day, people need to spend time with themselves doing what they really love doing. Now, here again, there is a catch. There is a problem here again. What is the problem here? The problem is we, the millennial generation, do not know what we really like, what our passion is, what we love doing, our likes, dislikes. We have absolutely no idea. Okay? So, where are we going? What should we do about it? And I won't blame the millennial generation because we are conditioned this way. 10th karo, life set hai. 12th karo, life set hai. Graduation karo, life set hai, naukri, retire, and then after you retire, you have the mindset of, ye karna chahiye tha. So how do we avoid that? How do we know what we really like or love doing? Right? So that is why I've got people in this. I've got a person here in this live show whose story will inspire you folks. So take in all the inspiration. Okay. So before that, it's a small request for me that please keep sharing this video with your friends, your family. I want this video to reach the masses, and I want to write in the comment section what is your understanding, what is your perception of the term dare to change lanes. And the best answer, I'll be giving away a freebie. Okay, I'm giving away a freebie, that is my book Potential Plus, a free signed author copy of this book for the best answer who will give about what is their meaning of the term dare to change lanes. Now, I'm going to bring an individual who is a singer, a songwriter, a composer, an artist. He sung in over 12 languages, not only in India, but throughout the world as well. Okay, and his songs went viral during lockdown. And his song is, it's called as Twist the Tune. Okay, so what did he do was he took the lyrics of one song, he took the tune of another, merged them, and it's humorous, and I personally really enjoyed it. And along with being humorous, it was really soulful as well. And I'm going to bring out the story of this individual who was in the corporate world and then finally realized that this is the time, this is when he will do what he really loves doing. Let's bring on Mr. Mahesh Jayaraman. Drum rolls, please. He's come, he's come. Hello,
Hi,
how are you doing?
hi.
I
I'm
am
good.
good.
How about you?
I am good. First of all, thank you for accepting the invite for being in this live. It's a pleasure to have
Pleasure,
you on
pleasure
board.
is all mine.
Okay.
Pleasure is all mine. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so the
Tell me.
core reason of this live is to bring out your story to the world, okay? So why don't we hear it from yourself? I mean, how did it all start? And what was your journey like after your post graduation?
Uh, I'll kind of dig a little more deeper.
Sure.
So, probably the thing is very well said. One thing that you were saying, I was listening to your. We all are trying to do something a little more than our peers, or whatever their existential situations, or the talent, or whatever skill that we have. So if we have to little bit dig deeper and try to understand that, I think the sole purpose of our life is actually to move above our genetics.
Okay.
Because somewhere, or that's what is I mean, somewhere or the other, now I understand what is genetic engineering is, because we understand the the allele formation, whatever we've learned in science, that Mendel's law of allele, right? So it talks about X chromosome, Y chromosome, and there's only one thing which takes it to the entire, to reach to that particular thing, and that is the dominant one, which will be existing. So every we are a complete making of both kind of, whatever the kind of the X and the Y kind of combinations. But somewhere, yes, when you spend that time alone, and you try and understand, okay, this is something that is a little dormant. Sometimes a lot of things are dormant in us, and we just don't realize that dormant state, and we try and work on some other surface level state, and we still try and want to do something different than in our day-to-day life. So yes, the moment you understand that dormant thing in you, and you are able to project it outside, and that will definitely come, as you said, to try to introspect and try to dig deep a little bit, because as you say, the first 7 years of your life, your entire brain formation happens in terms of
Yeah.
perceptions, assimilation, which keeps on repeating. It's very important to break that pattern.
Okay.
Also, one is, it's important to break that pattern, and also second level, it is important to project something which is your strength.
That's an art, yeah.
Both the things hand in hand, जो होता नहीं है actually.
Hmm.
ऐसे नहीं कि हम करते नहीं है या होता नहीं है mostly. And then after a point in time, when the crux becomes too solidified, then it's very difficult to kind of बोलते ना, small habits die hard. So then it becomes like that. But I've been a little fortunate in my situation, that there has been music in the family.
Okay.
So somewhere, because that music has been there in the family, that crux was there, the foundation was there, and it's just that people did not move into the professional aspect of it, or the commercial aspect of it, or make it as your bread and butter. सो देन आई रियलाइज्ड, बटर ही खाने, हम क्या, हमारा सब ध्यान बटर पे रहता है, लेकिन जब तक वो आपका ब्रेड नहीं होता ना, तो वो बटर भी नहीं हो सकता. तो वेरी
Okay.
इंपॉर्टेंट,
Yeah.
आपको उसको
Very
ब्रेड भी बनाना
phenomenal.
पड़ेगा, तब उसका बटर. So it started from school. Music was always there, but I had a back burner. I've come in reality televisions like Star Yar Kalakar, Kuch Kehti Hai Ye Dhun, Antakshari, Saregama. All this happened till MBA. And after MBA, then I took a corporate job, and I was working with Z Telefilms Limited. I was with ZTV. I started with market research, and then I was there in media for 6 years. So 2 years of market research, 2 years of 2 years of marketing and brand management, and 2 years of sales, hardcore sales.
Mm.
So I've sold television media, I've sold print media, sold digital media, international media. So then after that, that was after getting a summation of all the things, then I realized, as you said, to get to the core, and I got a little alone in terms of, okay, what is that you want to do? And then that dormant thing, that music thing came up, and, and then that's been there till now.
So when was the trigger point? वो trigger point, how do we realize that, अभी बस करना है, सब छोड़ छाड़ के,
हाँ,
this is the time? When does that come?
ये ये एक्चुअली ट्रिगर पॉइंट अपने आप को अपने आप आना चाहिए, बट अपना क्या बोलूं मैं, कल्चर ऐसा है या इंडियंस ऐसा है, आई डोंट वांट टू डिफरेंशिएट, लेकिन जब तक बचती नहीं है ना, तब तक समझ में नहीं आता। यू
हाँ,
अंडरस्टैंड, आई एम बीइंग वेरी 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 लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज कि
yeah,
जब तक वो you not punched on your face, till the time the life does not knock you down
yeah,
with whatever aspects that you're doing, with even, sometimes life knocks you down, even you're absolutely fine and everything is going fine, but still life knocks you down. But that's a little more spiritual knocking down. It's not just about the money or having everything in life. No. So yeah, sometimes then that's the time, I got knocked down, but I get up again. So that's
yeah.
how.
So now people, like I said in the before you had you on this live, I had mentioned that
Hmm.
people do not know what they really like or they don't like. They do not know their likes or dislikes. So how do we, according to you, how do we realize that thing? Ki, this is what I really like doing. Because we have been conditioned in such a way that, 10, 12 karo, naukri dhundo, khatam karo. People really don't move around. They do not really explore. So how do we really know that, this is what we really like to? अभी तुम लोगों से
Okay.
पूछोगे तो क्या पसंद है पता नहीं, जिंदगी कैसे कट रही है, बस चल रहा है. दिस इज द एटीट्यूड, राइट? नोबडी सेज बाप चल रही है, बढ़िया कर रहा है. Nobody says.
Okay. So what I kind of, what kind of jolted me in terms of getting back to reality, or that knockdown, was the constant ability to keep creating that you need to create for the work or for whatever that you need to do. uh, Newton's law of motion, every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Okay, you don't really need to have an action or an opposite reaction. Sometimes just holding it and trying to create another space or another time for you in terms of doing something, that itself is takes care of it. So constant creation, which will not make you tired, or maybe something which you don't feel tired of,
Okay, makes sense.
something that you don't feel tired of, you can do this at any point in time, given time. Something which goes beyond time, like it's like, your 9 to 5 job is like, okay, fine, this is your time, and then that's your sleeping time, and maybe then this is your this time or that time. So somewhere we are compartmentalized, we just
Yeah.
classified and tabulated, which is necessary, which is the West formula. Yes, it is, which is necessary, but that's the way corporate works. But we cannot compartmentalize a plant or an animal for that matter.
Okay.
We
Mm.
or the nature. You cannot compartmentalize the nature. So if you've understood your nature, and it could be anything. This is music. There are so many people who do so many other different things. It could be pottery, it could be painting, it could be making music, or it could be so many different things. This is one aspect of dare to change lane that
Okay.
we have experienced. But there are so many different people that probably they were in a food business, they moved into real estate, or they were into shoemaking, they moved into something horticulture, something like that. So I think your zest of doing it at any point in time, not getting tired of, makes you positive, and just keep just keep doing it. You love doing it. So that is the, I think that is the answer. I don't know how far it's true, makes sense. Yeah.
So now that we have come into this journey, you have come into this journey. Now, starting May, yes, people do find their success initially. Later, how do you sustain that momentum of success? There will be a point of time when things don't go your way. So how do you sustain that momentum?
Yeah, I mean, there is no 6 months day or 6 months night unless and until we are in polar regions. So, I mean, so it is going to be, it's a crest, trough, crest, trough. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what, waveform. So, I remember my guru, Vijaya Shankar, one of my gurus, Vijaya Shankar, she would say, whenever you're singing high, think low. When you're singing low, think high.
Wow. Okay.
That's how you maintain your balance in your mind.
Yeah.
So I think somewhere or the other, it's all about maintaining that balance in your mind in terms of whatever it is. Nothing should get you carried away. At the same time, you know, every you should see to it that you carry everything forward ahead in
So
terms
when
of
you're
work.
talking about crest and troughs, so when you're in that low phase, when you think that things are not working out currently, how do you come out of it? How do you come out of that phase? How do you motivate yourself to get out of that phase?
जिंदगी की यही रीत है, हार के बाद ही जीत है, थोड़े आंसू है, थोड़ी हंसी, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी. So yeah, this song I remember.
This actually made sense. These songs make sense at when you're in that phase. Yeah. This wonderful, wonderful answer to that question. I mean, it really opened my mind. That aha moment, I'm like, okay, here it makes sense. So,
Yeah, now you got me really right. It actually, I think, the ज्ञान चक्षु तब खुलते हैं जब आपको गाने का जो आधार है, जो उसका मूल आधार है, वो समझ में आ जाता है. When
hmm,
you get to know the crux of whatever is happening, when you get to know what is happening behind the camera and for what it is happening for, वो जब आपको पता पड़ता है, then चीजें अपने आप फिट होने लगती है जिंदगी में, and then you are able to make your path. You're very right, very true.
hmm. So, so if there's one success mantra that you would like to give generation out there, what would that one success mantra be like when they try to change their lanes, when they try to, really follow what they really love doing? So, what would be your success mantra for it?
Hey,
Hey, yes. इंटरनेट चला गया था क्या?
नहीं, गम का बादल जो छाए तो हम मुस्कुराने लगे, अपनी आंखों से आशाओं के गीत सजाने लगे. आज बिगड़ी है तो कल बने, आज गम है तो कल है खुशी. सॉरी बैक.
So, एक क्वेश्चन पूछा था, वो क्वेश्चन बहुत ही सस्पेंस वाला क्वेश्चन था, तो वो सस्पेंस के
Tell
टाइम पे
me,
आप चले गए, मतलब प्रॉपर टाइम पे वो
what
सस्पेंस क्या
is
था,
it?
सक्सेस मंत्रा
Okay.
था. सक्सेस मंत्रा थोड़ा
हाँ
टाइम
हाँ.
लगता है ना, थोड़ा चाहिए रहता है, तो
अच्छा.
तभी चला गया था आपका.
This is called divine intervention. So divine wanted me to actually experience success how it has to be. So one thing we should always remember that this is beautiful. I'm really enjoying this moment. Why? Because uh, the moment we just get a hurdle something, and then we kind of stop, and then the first thing that we do is put blames.
Very true.
बहुत बहुत जल्दी आ जाता है. It's very easy to lose it. It's very easy to completely move away from the given scenario or something which has happened, because uh, everything in life is not in your control. What is your reaction to your life, or whatever you can contribute to, is in your control. So we have to be we need to understand that,
Yes.
and and the success mantra is what is there is I think now I understand the biggest success mantra is actually to be still.
Okay.
absolutely be still. It's not about probably the crest or the trough. It is actually
Yes, as far
the
as
equator.
sustaining the momentum also,
It,
right? That also would come.
yes.
Yeah.
So I think magic or so the mantra to success is to sustain, to
Yes,
exist,
definitely.
to
Federer एक
breathe.
ही ग्रैंड स्लैम जीता तो क्या ही होता? He wouldn't have been, world would have been the same. तेंदुलकर एक ही सेंचुरी मारता तो
Yes,
क्या होता? 100 सेंचुरी मारा इसलिए तो मजा आया.
absolutely.
Hmm.
True, true.
Right. Right. Okay,
So,
sir. So these are the questions that I wanted to ask. I'm sure this has inspired generations of the millennial
so
generation specifically, because we are the future of tomorrow. That's there. So I want this message to reach out to the public. And before we, switch off this, before we log out from this live, sir, आपके दो तीन, आपके जो twist the tune था, वो सर
हाँ हाँ
सुनाएंगे.
जरूर. I'll start with the antara.
Hmm.
रात की शोकी दो टिकटें हैं, खोल के पर्स में दिखलाऊं, चिपक के बैठूं पास तेरे, मैं टैक्सी में ले जाऊं, समझ न मुझको ऐसा वैसा, मेरे बटवे में है पैसा, में है पैसा, तुझे खिलाऊंगा जी भर के, गरम समोसा, इडली डोसा, इडली डोसा, तू मेरी है पेप्सी कोला, मैं हूँ तेरा कोका कोला, कोका कोला, टन टना टन, टन टन तारा चलती है क्या, 9 से 12, 9 से 12.
Lovely. I just love this. Okay, guys, for those who want to follow Mahesh Jayaraman, he has a Soulful Sunday Melodies. Happens every Sunday. Please attend those sessions because it's really soulful, lovely, easygoing. Monday blues नहीं आने के लिए ना वो सेशन अटेंड कीजिएगा. Best है.
I actually wanted to ask you something more about the book that you've written. That is to do justice
To
to your
yourself.
own self. Why don't you share that thing? Probably it will be it will be a learning for me also, for sure.
So it's about the millennial generation only, because how we are conditioned in a particular way that our thought process is just 10th, 12th. We do not know a lot of things about ourselves because we have been conditioned in that particular way, and we won't blame our society culture because it's been that way. If a child is asked, a child has a lot of dreams. Singer बनना है, actor बनना है, pilot बनना है, army में जाना है. But what happens after like 10 years? What really happens? Where does that dream go? Because adults think about it, take risks thinking that about the things that they will lose. A child does not
Yeah, very true. Ah, right,
a
right.
child does not think that way. A
Yes, yes,
child
yes.
always thinks, has the mindset
Correct.
of what he can
Empty.
achieve.
Yeah,
So that's
correct. His cup is
the
empty.
whole
Yeah,
crux of my book, and I've written the stages that we go through, and uh, and we take risks only on the basis of what other people have done. Have they achieved success or no? उसके अलावा हम नहीं
correct.
रिस्क लेंगे. देखेंगे कि हाँ ये फील्ड में
Hmm.
उसने अच्छा किया तो हम लोग भी करेंगे. पर उसमें भी they may succeed, they may fail, and if they succeed, again if they face failure, they go back. Why? Because they're copying others. That's not their true inner
Right.
calling. Their inner calling, every individual is
Correct.
different. Everybody's inner calling is different. So how do we go about it? That is what I've written in this book.
Superb. Awesome. I think everybody who's listening to it should definitely pick up this book, and it's available in Amazon, right?
Yes,
Amazon and a few
yes,
other.
it is.
Great. Anything more that you looking? Please do,
uh,
because we kind of
yes. So एक
were
closing note
somewhere
पे
in
और एक
between.
गीत हो जाए सर. Closing note.
गीत गाता हूँ मैं, गुनगुनाता हूँ मैंने हंसने का वादा किया था कभी, इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं, इसलिए अब सदा मुस्कुराता हूँ मैं। कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा। भूलोगे तुम, भूलेंगे वो, पर हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा। ला रा 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 रा। रहेंगे वहीं अपने निशान, इसके सिवा जाना कहाँ। जी चाहे जब हमको फेसबुक लाइव करो, हम है वहीं, हम थे जहाँ सोया।
Lovely. Thank you so much, Mahesh, for tuning in, for accepting the invite. I personally have got to know about a lot of things, especially the success mantra to just be there. That really
Yeah.
struck me. And thank you so much once again for being in this live. And
Thank
folks,
you.
if there is anything, please type something in the comment section and we'll answer all your queries accordingly. Thank you guys for watching.
So,
Thank you, Mahesh, for tuning in. Thank you so much.
thank you so much for inviting. See
Yeah.
you.
Bye bye,
Bye.
guys. See you.
See you. Bye.